Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic that is about integration. So now I want to show you how to answer. We want to find the area of this one. So now I want to show you how to answer. The first thing we need to find the intersection in here. So we have y equals to 216 over y squared. So because we have s and s, that's why y equals to this one. And now we put y squared go to the left. And we have y to the power of 3. Now we put the cube root for the both side in here. And we have y equals to number 6. That means this one we have y equals to number 6. Now we need to use the formula in here. We have the integration from a to b. So we need to use about the upper function minus the lower function. So in this situation, we have like this. So this one, we have the integration from number 6 to number 12. Upper function, that is about this one. The lower function, that is about this one. The integration of y, that is about y squared over number 2. This one in here, that is about 206 over y. And we put the bounds from number 6 to number 12. So this one, we put number 12 gone here, number 6 gone here, and we have 36. And this is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.